Look at this, folks. Never seen before on the channel World War II history. Yeah. This one's flooded. But it's still cool to come and document them. Any conditions. I can't even see where I'm going right now. Channel DJ's got a torch. Wow, we're going to have to go in. I'm going to stand on these stones. It's worth it. I can't actually see how deep the water is. Yeah, it's real adventures, folks. Look at this. This was one of the original one there. Wow. This cement piece.
That's really cool.
It is. Look at this, folks. So this would have been like an emergency escape.
Like it's been touched.
Or it could have been like a lookout point.